I'm sure if we dug deep enough into some of these leaves, we would find a dead animal or something.
Okay. You
gotta
warned me against doing this.
There's certain things I from being an older gentleman and having had experience buying crappy things.
This is definitely in that category. The hidden storage yard where all of Wayne's junk comes to die. And we get to see, by the way, these are those temporary car covers, by the way.
Like a trailer trash car cover. That's fancy though. It's got like
it actually is called a temporary car cover. So like when they put it on with
like
a little
hair
string thing. Yeah, that's
like
what I was talking
shower
about.
cap.
Yeah, it's good for like, if they use them on streets when they're painting around cars, but it's also good if you have a car cover outside that's like cotton and it starts to rain, you just throw this thing over it and it becomes waterproof after that.
This is all that you could hope it could be.
It's what?
All that you could hope it could be, ladies and gentlemen.
What, the dune buggies? No, you got to do the second one too at the same time.
I hope these things don't spontaneously combust from
Be careful, you don't cut yourself. You get tetanus from them, right? So, came with extra camshafts.
Why is there a VW cam in the back of your dune buggy?
Because they piled all the engine parts in it.
I'm going to give you one thing that's badass about this dune buggy.
I'm all ears.
The Hang 10 bright switch pedal that's there.
I did see that, yes. What is that switch for?
I don't know. Most cars, it's for the bright low beam, high beam switch.
Yeah, that's
but
true.
It's usually on the floor where you can hit it with your foot.
Right. All right, so so they were $7,000 for the pair, which is probably too much money.
What?
Yeah.
I'm thinking like the guy's
like $500. I know.
The guy's gonna go down to the liquor store and get it like 2 6-packs of malt liquor with the cash that he got out of you for these things.
Yeah. I've never seen a body like this before.
It's kind of like a Corvette in the back.
It's very much like a little Corvette in the back. It's kind of cool. I sense you braking a little bit
Here's
and
why
thinking, wow, it's kind of cool.
You want to know why I dig these? Because they're not mine, and I don't have to fix them.
Right.
Because I don't have to do anything.
So,
Wayne, take some of that money you got and get somebody to fix these. Don't do it yourself.
Well,
I don't want to see you in the hospital.
No, so I bought both of them because I knew that this one was pretty much shot. I think the only thing maybe recyclable off of this is the body and maybe the wheels, but I don't know. I don't know if you can get a shot of that, but it's actually kind of cool looking. So this one looks like it was last run in 2017.
Like Rooma Zoom Zoom?
So maybe I thought about just, throwing some gas in this thing and firing it up and see what the hell happened. With a valuable car, you got to be careful and empty everything. With something like this, you don't care, right?
Probably find like a quarter or something under the seat to kind of recoup some of your loss.
I think that we can maybe get this one running with a good set of tires and all that stuff, and it could be.
Flip it.
Could be a good.
Yeah, this is one of those cars like you'd see somebody turning around. Coat of wax, can of oil in there. Flip it.
I figured we'd rob parts off of this one to put that one together.
There's nothing there. It's a body.
I know. Take the body off of this one, take the body off of this one, and swap the body to this one.
Does it work that way? I don't know how these dune buggies work.
I'm about to find out.
It looks like the gel coat's been so oxidized that the metal flake is coming up, which is because this thing was probably smooth like a boat.
I'm not really sure what's going on here. So.
Yeah, maybe he got one of those,
so we
bedazzler
just sand it down.
And re-metal flake it.
I was thinking about just getting a VW chassis or actually just using this, but this thing sat online looking at me for like 3 months.
We're both from the same fellow, or?
Yeah.
That dude's hammered drunk on frickin' malt liquor. Good for him, though. It trickled down theory, Wayne. You made a bunch of money on your investments. This dude banked his investments and now has a case of Colt 45, and him and his old lady hammered drunk and thanking you.
I don't claim that this is the best deal ever.
But you're to have fun with it.
But I have never seen one of these before. It's really cool.
It looks like it's got like Corvair taillights.
Those are Corvair taillights. It's really
Pennsylvania license plate.
Well, it came from Pennsylvania.
Yes, of course. There's no rust or anything because they don't salt the roads there.
It's really cool setup. So just take the body off of this one, fire it up, get it going in a weekend, switch the body over, and then go from there. if I ever wanted, I'm never gonna be able to find another one just like this again. So I'm like, okay, if I don't ever.
This one, I see your method to the madness. I see the method to the madness.
That's recording, right?
I
That's
still
recording,
would
right?
not buy it because
Hello? Recording,
because
right?
I'll be dead before I finish it, and so will Wayne. Wait a minute.
Not
Hold on.
not if I get this one running
All right,
and just
a lot of
swap
ifs.
them.
I'm checking my wallet
right?
for the.
That's the key. Is the swap
I don't have
part.
$1, but I will bet you $1.
I'll finish it just to spite you.
I'll bet you $1 that neither one of these is running in my lifetime.
Define one, and define these.
These two cars that I come out.
The body.
A running dune buggy
With one of these two bodies.
with one of these two bodies running, and we drive around the block.
Okay.
That's $1 bet.
Okay, I'll make that $1 bet.
Because I'm thinking.
Because all I got it, and I can go buy a dune buggy and swap the body. I can do whatever I want. But these two bodies, right?
And you have to disclose the cost of repairs.
Well, okay, sure. I don't know.
And here's the spoils to the victor, which is going to be me. I'm going to take that $1 that I won, get another $4, and buy myself a malt liquor.
Unfortunately, you won't be around when you win the $1.
Oh, that's right.
It's your estate that'll have the
Damn.
$1, so you won't be able to enjoy the $1.
I'm gonna have to
because you made it in your lifetime, right?
I'm gonna have to write this into the irrevocable trust, so my kid knows to come knocking when I'm dead.
Right.
That says, "Hey Wayne, you get the $1 you owe my dad."
Right. Well, I'll lay it out on the flowers or whatever, and then. You do the same too. Actually, you can do the same. If I go before you, then you put the $1 down.
I'm going to give you my $1.
This is really morbid, isn't it?
I'm going to give you my $1, and then you get your $1. We'll put them in a frame, and whoever the victor is gets the framed $2. Look, I'm a regular Hostess product eater, so for me, it's not going to be a problem.
All joking aside, fuel.
How did you say that with a straight face?
Fuel, tires.
Battery, squirt oil in the cylinders, some plugs, throw the carburetor away, get another,
That's
rebuild.
true. They're probably $40 on eBay, but I would just try and fire it up anyway. It's sitting right here. I tried to take this bolt out to see what it looked like, and I did this like for a minute. Oh, there it is.
Old Stromberg or something like that under there. What is it?
I don't know. I haven't got a better view than I do.
At least it's got an air filter covering the top.
It did. So let's see. Is there any? Does it move? We're making history here. Where's the throttle cable? Is there a throttle cable?
I think you're doing this on. Wayne, this is our time now. You're supposed to be working on this on your time, not my time.
I just tricked you into working on it, just like I tricked you
I'm
into
not
doing
touching
an unboxing.
Nope. Not touching it.
Where's the throttle on this? Is there a cable? I can't.
It's a piece of string you pull with your hand when you're up in front.
Wait, no. Help me out here. Where's the throttle?
I don't know how these things work.
I can't see my phone. How can there be no throttle cable?
Because they're evaporated from rust.
No, this is it, right? There we go. Oh, that's the choke I'm looking at. Oh, that's why.
Do you know how these VWs work? I thought you were an old VW man. Porsche, VW, it's all the same.
Slightly rusty in there. What do you think? Transmission? Transmission's pretty buried.
I don't
Probably
know.
still good. It's got oil, right?
Yeah, squirt some transmission honey in it.
I don't know. What do you think, Cooper? All right, that's enough torture for the day.
All right. It's a goodbye.
What?
It's a goodbye.
Goodbye. That's right. Smoking deal. All right, Sandy. That was pretty good, right?
Great videos today, Wayne.
All right. Remember, if you want more, please hit the subscribe button. We'll keep going.
Don't forget to mash the like, too.
Mash the like button. Yeah, I think it's down here.